How to export notes from iPhone to Notion. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your Notes folders. Open any folder from here. You can view all the notes in this folder. Open the note you want to export from here. On this page, tap on the Share icon at the top. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Select Notion from the options. Go to Add Content to and then select Add as Sub-Page in. Choose a page from here and tap on Save Above. Now, go back and open up the Notions app. Then, open the page you just exported the note to. As you can see, you can now open and view the note file from here. Following these steps, you can easily export notes from iPhone to Notion. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.